Okay, I'm going to try and make this all make sense. This is a home-built system and it's come together pretty nicely. So what I have is my quadcopter. It's a Hobby King Special. On it we have the ArduPilot board. We have Turnigy receiver, a Turnigy transmitter here. Up here on the front, a simple gimbal. The GoPro that I'm recording with sits inside of this frame right here. And it's strapped on with a simple rubber band. There's a Bluetooth receiver right here, plugged into the telemetry port of the ArduPilot. On top here is a Fat Shark video camera. On the back you have the GPS. Underneath is a Fat Shark transmitter. I'm going to go ahead and plug the whole unit in so we get power to everything. Down here I have my Android cell phone that's going to connect through that Bluetooth. Okay, so let's get it plugged in. Oh, over here on the side is my old ground station. I've simply run the output from the Fat Shark goggles, which if you look in there you can see video being transmitted from the quadcopter. Okay, so these are the Fat Shark goggles. You can have a second person watching over here on the video screen. And this sits up on a tripod. Okay. Let's plug this together. Okay. Now that's trying to lock GPS. I've already got the transmitter turned on over here. Now let's connect with a cell phone through Droid Planner.
Disconnected. Connected. Lost GPS mode stabilize.
Okay. So this is telling us our bearing, telling us that it's disarmed currently. If I move the quadcopter around, you can see that it's updating. Now this is Bluetooth only, so it's only good within 20 to 30 feet or so. It's not rated for that far, but it tends to work that close. With this, I can change the flight modes. Can also turn on the follow me, which would be dangerous because it could get out of range. I can change my altitude. I can load waypoints, etc. Right now it's showing no GPS signals because I'm in the basement. As soon as it picks up a GPS signal, it will indicate, instead of no GPS, it'll indicate the number. And you can also see the flashing light indicators here. Okay. Now, I set this auxiliary up so you can see the feedback. Notice there is, well, it's probably hard for you to tell, there is no lag. So that's what you see through the goggles. It's just harder to see this than it is to see this monitor over here. And this is set up to run off of my old AR drone battery. I've got another transmitter and there's a receiver in this box. a boss cam, and that works fairly
GPS
well.
3D lock.
Okay, it sounds like we have 4 GPS signals. So it has a lock now. And you can see that it's been wandering around on the screen here. It's trying to update the imagery. Okay. Let's try arming. Let's see what we get.
Lost GPS lock.
Oh, well, that may not work without GPS.
GPS 3D lock.
It's not wanting to arm. If I come here, I can try and arm it.
Arming the vehicle. Please stand by.
Okay, for some reason we're not getting an arm signal, so I'll have to work that out. But this is the unit all set up. I think I've got it set to a minimum of 7 satellites before it'll arm, and we're at 6 satellites, so that's probably the problem. Okay, thanks for watching.